In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Nvidia Control Panel is missing. Now the first step you want to do is you want to come down here and search for services. In here, press anywhere and press N and look for Nvidia Display Container. Double click it and make sure you choose automatic and make sure it says running. If it says stopped, just press start, click apply and click OK. After that, what you want to do is we want to head down here and search for device manager. Open it up in here. Find our display adapter, which is this one. Right click on it and update the driver. Check if it works now. If you still cannot see it, what you can do is right click on it, uninstall device, and this will uninstall your graphics driver. And then you want to press action, scan for hardware changes, and it's going to reinstall it. Now, if that still doesn't work, what we can try is come down here and search for Nvidia and look for the control panel right here. Right click on it, app settings. In here, scroll down and click repair, and then click reset. Now, as a last option, if none of these work, what you can do is open up the Microsoft Store. So just search for Microsoft Store. Open that, find Nvidia Control Panel in there if it's available, and install it from in there. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.